about this color here. I just found out, you know, because even the teachers, we are learning by ourselves. It is not in the slides. It is not in the notes. So when I go to the Google and I see that, can we put the color and the words and the HTML? Then there is there. So I put it the color. I'm going to explain you now. Okay. So when you look at here, this page, okay, again, I told you that please try starting now. If you have friends, please. But this is again, I told you, this is just a part one. There will be the 3 part. Next week, second part. After next week, there will be the third part. Then it is complete. Okay. So again, I told you that you can follow my style or you can have your own style. Okay, but again, you can work with your friends, but you have to submit. If you are working with the 3 friends, you have to submit the 3 different things. Okay, so again, what you can change, I already told you, you can change the name here, or you can change the description here. You just need to change if you already have a format. Okay, so by looking at this one now, okay, what do you see here? You see here is the healthier fruits. The title is there, heading part, and here you see the healthiest fruit. Okay, of this is healthiest fruit. So whenever you are going to design something, even in the exam, I told you, look from the first one. What is the title given here? This is the healthiest fruit. This is the thing. So for the HTML here, this is the HTML coding. Let me make it a little bit bigger so that you can see. See, this is the HTML here. Okay, HTML. And then we have a head here. Inside the head, we have a title. Title is called healthiest fruit. This is appear in here, healthiest fruits. So that's why since the beginning you see. Okay, so if you are going to design something about the another things, maybe not the one, maybe your favorite food, you can make it like favorite food, your favorite food, or your favorite snack also. Okay, your favorite dessert, you know, many things you can do. Your favorite dessert, you can find to the Google and you can take everything. Again, I want to tell you this information, everything I take from the internet. I just go to the internet, I see the fruits, and then there are many information it is coming. Then I choose the one of the website, and then I click, I choose it there, from there. Okay, so that's why you can choose any topic. You can choose the fruit, or favorite food, or favorite dessert, or favorite singer, or favorite movie, anything. Okay, whatever. Okay, so again, I told you that, okay, just based on the things, just make it here healthiest. Put the title. This is going to be appear in here. So you have to make it like, after HTML, you have a head open and head close. Okay, I'm recording this one also. After that, I will upload it again. Okay, so that you can see it and then you can follow this thing. So this title is appear in the here. Okay, healthiest fruits. Then after that, look at here, we are going to start the body now, because everything is going to appear in the body. This is the BG color. You remember BG color? Before we have a BG color, is called the blue or yellow or something like this. But I don't want it very dark. This is called the LX blue. LX blue. Because where did I get this color? Okay, where I get this color is here. This is in the chapter 4. Okay, we are going to cover many things. Here I have some color here. Some color. I choose the color from here. This is called LX blue. ALIC LX blue. I just put LX blues. Okay, if you write it like Atticue white, then this color will be appear. And then there are many color. Okay, because I just don't want to make it very dark one, so I choose the light color. This is called LX blue. It is up to you if you want to put the color or you don't want to put the color. It is up to you. Okay, so these are the color given in the chapter 4 if you want to see it. Okay, so I take it from here, just a LX blue. Okay, so this is the things. Yes, students, somebody typed to me. Let me see it again. Okay. Yes, okay. Now, let's go now. Okay, so the color, I choose the color is called LX blue. So this is the background color here. Before and the example, we have a yellow color or something like, because it is like the color is very bright. That's why I choose the light color here called LX blue. But for you, you can choose it. But if you don't like to put the color also, no problem. It is up to you, up to your design. If you don't want to put any color, you just say the body close. Okay. And then after that, then finish already now. This is the background color, I put it. So now after the title, the first thing is coming is here, this one. This is the title now. This is the heading. Heading is called H1, the biggest heading here. This is the heading, H1. Okay, healthiest fruits on the planet. So this is the things here. This is the things. Okay, healthiest fruits on the planet. Look at this sentence now. Okay, I just want to make it, I just want to show you comparison with these things so that you will be able to, okay, compare this one. So we already, I hope you understand the title one here. Title is here, healthiest fruit. Then after that, we have a background color, BG color is a LX blue. And then now we are going to start the heading now. The first one, and the body part is a heading, healthiest fruit on the planet. So this is this one, healthiest fruits on the planet. So when you look at this heading, what is the difference now? It is in the center here. So that's why I have a center open and then center close, because this is in the middle of the website. This is one of the things that you have to do. And then after that, what is the size here? The size is H1, the bigger size I put it. This is a H1 close and then H1 open. But now look at the color here. I put the font color. This is called the font color because I put the brown color for the font. So that's why we have additional things called this one. This wasn't, okay, cover and the slides, okay, because I just go and search by myself, okay. So as a teacher also, okay, sometimes it is only appear later, because when this slides was prepared by another teacher, it wasn't there, okay. So but I just found it also, okay. So this is the how you can put the color here. This is called the style equal to color equal to brown. So you have to write it like this. But if you want to change to the blue, just change your blue. But if you want to change to the red, just change the red. So this is the fixed one. Okay. So this line make you to appear these things here. Okay. So what is the property here? The first property is called center. It is in the middle center of the web page. And then the title here is called healthiest fruit on the planet. Not P. Healthiest fruit on the planet. P is not there. Okay. So then the font size is H1 because the heading one there. But I include the color. The font color is a brown color. So that's why I have to write it this one. H1, before H1 is closed, I have to put the style equal to color brown like this. Okay, so this is the things. So again, I told you if you want to change to the red color, just change to the red instead of the brown. Just change to the blue instead of the brown. Brown is this color, I choose it. Any questions, students? I believe you understand. Okay, now let's go to the other part now. When you look at the other things here, you already know this is the paragraph. You know, I talk about the fruits. What is the fruits? So if you are going to talk about the food or dessert, then you just talk about the information a little bit. See, now here I have only 2 lines. Okay, so I just talk about the fruit and vegetable or this and that. This is everything I take from the internet. Okay, everything I take from the internet. Okay, you can also search there and then just put it there. Okay, then this is the one of the paragraphs. So that's why I have here P open and P close. P is for the paragraph and then P close for the paragraphs, which means that the first paragraph is start with the fruit and vegetable, and then talk, and then end with the bowel cancer. It is stopped at the bowel cancer. Okay, so this is finished. So this is one of the paragraph, and then it is here, one of the paragraph. Okay, so now let's go to the second one here. Second one is also, maybe I put at a paragraph, because not the paragraph, and here I just put it like a BR to go down one line, because this is not the paragraph, so I just put it as a BR here. BR is for the going down one line. Okay, after this paragraph, I put the BR and then I write this sentence here. Eating fruit on a regular visit. Here, this is the here. Eating fruit on a regular visit, and then I write this sentence continuously. Okay, so this is the things. You can write it together continuously here. Okay, so, but I just want to show you that these are the sentence there. So that's why I just cut it, because otherwise it is going to be very long like this. So that's why I show you this is the one of the sentence, it is appear here. Even though I write here 3 line, because I didn't put the BR after each line. So it continuously writing there. 3 part are writing. So starting with the each fruit, okay, until it is the end is the on at. So this is the finish already. Okay, then after that I have a 2BR. 2BR means I'm going down 2 line, and then it is going to be in the middle, because now I'm going to design the table here. Okay, so this is I'm going to design the table. So what you have to know is that this is the heading, this is the paragraph, and then this is the break line, and then now I'm using the table, because we already, okay, study about this, okay, table now. So when you look at the table, you already know. The first thing is that I'm putting the center here, because the table is in the center here. Not here, not here, this is in the center. So here table border, you already know the table border is 5, because it is very thick here. That's why I have a 5 here. So you already know here, these are the first one is that for the one you design, you have to go for line by line, one row, one row, one row. The first row, look at the first row here. This first row is called table heading. Okay, TH. This is, I have a sequence number, means the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the name of the fruit, and then description. What is there? This about. Okay, so then here, this is the first heading of the table we design. Okay, the first one is the sequence number here, then second one is the name, and then the third one is a description here. Okay, then after the title, okay, so this is a little bit here. So when we designed last time, remember when we designed the table, we didn't put the image here, but I'm just showing you here that we can even insert the image inside the table. Everything is possible. So that's why this is, see, if you know the basic things, you can even add it here. So in order to get this second row here, the first fruit, what you have to do is that here, look at the here. Okay, so these are the table data that we enter. Sorry, okay, this is the here. This is the first row we created here. This is the first row. The sequence number, under the sequence number, I enter the 1 here. This is, I hope you clear, this is 1. When you are going to look at under the name here, the first name is called the grapefruit, but it is a bold color, because this is a little bit thick, not like this. So that's why this is, you put the bold here. You can even put inside here, bowl open and bowl close. So that's why you finish like this. It is appear like this. Then after that, you want to put the image. Image is going down 1 line. So that's why you have to put the BR, because you want the image not beside this one. You want the image after this grapefruit word. So that's why you have to make it 1 BR here. Then after that, you have to insert the image. This one is, you already learned it. Okay, it is in the chapter 3. How you are going to insert the image? We already know that. Okay, you have to give the name with the extension. So these are the same thing here. So why I have a width and height is 100 is that, okay, I make it this size. But if you are going to make it like 60 or 70, this image size will be the smaller. So it is up to you. If you want it a bigger, you can make it a 150. So this picture will be bigger. Okay, so this is up to you. So again, this line, look at the here, this line make you this grapefruit and image. You put the grapefruit here. When you write the grapefruit, you have a B open and B close. Because of B open and B close, it is like a little bit dark here now. Okay, then after that, you are going to insert the image here. This is the image, how to insert. It is everything just copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste from there. And then you have here, I have why I have a number 1 here. Because when you look at the desktop here, I save all very simple one. I didn't write the long one. I just put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that it is easy to remember. Okay. So why again? Why I have to put? Why I need? Is it any message here or some sort of message? Okay. So why I have here? Why? How to put the PNG here is that it is that you have to know the extension, right? I have here 1.png. So I believe you already know why I put PNG. If you want to know the properties, go to the right click and properties here. And this property there is called the PNG here, PNG extension. So the file name is a 1.png. So that's why I have here 1.png. So the width and height, you have to adjust it, the width and height, because if you don't adjust, maybe sometime the picture will be very small or very big. So that's why I adjust all the pictures with the 100 and 100. I put everything with 100 and height 100. Okay, but sometimes some of the students, maybe you have to adjust. Maybe sometime maybe you have to adjust 70 or 80 or 70 or 80, just same. But for me, all the pictures I put like 100, 100 is enough, because for me, this side is okay for me. Okay, so this is this column now. After the one, I have a grapefruit with the pictures. So now look at this row now. This is just the information I take it from the internet. Okay, so about there, they talk a little bit about the grapefruit. They say the grapefruit is one of the healthiest, citric fruits. So this is an here. This is another TD column. Okay, you write it here. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest, citric fruit. This is this line. Then after that, I want to write another line. So I just write the BR. Okay, I just write the BR. Then after that, I have here another, beside being a good source of vitamins and minerals, so just type it here. So again, everything I want to tell you that these are all the information I have taken from the internet for the learning purpose or teaching purpose. Okay, so this make you one of the table rule. See, you already know this is from the table row. TR is a one row start and then one row close. So the first one here is the number one you put. Then after that, the second field, you put the grapefruits with the bold color, and then you insert the pictures with the weight and hair height. And then after that, and here you have a description. You just talk about what is this fruit. Any questions, students, regarding about this? Any questions? If you know how to do this one, other things I just copy. I just copy here, and then I put number 1 to the number 2. I change to the number 2 here. And then after that, I change instead of a grapefruit, I change to the pineapple. Okay, so if you have one things now, you can change here. I put the pineapple and then I insert the pictures here. Now I have 2.png. The picture is the 2.png. And then the width and the height are the same thing, because I want this size. So it is like 100 and 100 height. Okay, and I talk about the description. What is this good things about this? I say that pineapple is good and vitamin. Then after that, I go give for the another BR. We can do here. BR means they go down another line, and then I talk about this. So these are the things. If you know one line, then just you need to change it. Okay, so the students, what I want to tell is that I want you, whatever you want to do, I want you to put at least 5. Okay, but if you don't want to do this style also, no problem, you can choose any other style. Because the reason I'm making you here is that I want you, to make it easier when you are designing. Otherwise, that some student don't know how to start or something like this. Right? I hope it is clearly now. So, in this example, and this first part, we only use the title to appear here, Then after that, we have a background color. Okay, I use the Alex blue or something like this. Then after that, we have a new things here called the how to put the font size. Okay, so it is already in here. Okay, so if you see, it is already in here. Okay, so this is the font size. So I'm going to upload this thing so you can see it from there. I hope that you already know that I cannot give this notepad, because if I give this notepad, then it will be a lot of problem. But please watch the video, and then this is the things, this style. Before the H1, You just need to put the style color. So what color you want to put it, just put it here, because I put the brown, so that's why it is the brown. Okay, so this is recording now. After this class, I will upload it, and then please watch it, the movie, because as you know that this part I cannot put it, and then it will be really problem for me. Okay, so I hope you understand these things. So these are everything you have learned. Okay, so we know about the heading part, H1, H2, H3, and then this is the paragraph, and then this is after the BR, we talk about the line. Then after that, this is a table. Inside the table, we can put many things. We can edit many things. So this is the very easy part, and then this is the part 1. Okay, so I'm going to have another 2 part, inshallah, after 2 weeks, then we will finish. So for those who understand this, so please try to do this. Again, I told you that you can make it the fruits, but not exactly like this. These things, you can add the different things. There are many information about the fruits. So please make it different. Okay, please put the different fruit. Okay, so again, I told you, you and your friends can do the fruits together, but just put the different information with the different fruits. There are many type of the fruits. And then there are vegetable also, you know, the vegetable, cucumber, onion, what, many things, salads, this and that. Okay, so there are many things. Okay, again, I told you, if you can make a favorite movie, okay, favorite famous football player or famous tennis player, whatever you like it. And then famous dessert, you know, desserts are something like ice cream or this and that also. Okay, so many things there are. So this is just, again, it is interesting and then not difficult at all. Okay, so any questions, students? I will, this one I'm recording, I will upload it, this one, to the YouTube, and then I will put it under the today session. So for those who have a computer, please try to finish this part. Okay, so that this is, you know, that there will be the 10 marks project. Okay, this is a 10 marks project. We're going to have a 3 part. This part is a one of the example I gave today, inshallah. Okay, so any questions, students? Any questions? There is a no last day. Before the final exam, you can submit, no problem. Because I'm just giving you to do it, because you know that I don't have a last day. But before final exam, you must submit. Okay? So, but now try to do it, because you already listen now. Then after that, I will upload it. Then maybe when you have a weekend or something like this, try to do it. Okay, so that when next time, if you have a problem, you can talk to me, and then we can discuss again. Okay, so whatever it is here, I have recorded, and then I have already explained the Papa card. So we will be discussing. I will be uploading into the YouTube, inshallah, and then follow that step, inshallah. Okay, so these are the things that I explain by part, which one is the heading, and then which one is the so on and so on. Okay, any questions, students? Any questions regarding about this today? You want to open the notepad again? Okay, if you want to take the pictures, no problem, you take it. But the thing is that I hope you understand that I cannot put it in the Moodle. Otherwise, they will say that I'm giving everything. Now, this is the notepad. If you want to take the screenshot, you just take the screenshot. Okay? Finish? You want me to go down? You want me to go down again? Go down also? Okay, go down. Okay. I don't know whether number 2 finish or number 1 not, because this is a table, it's the same thing. After number 1 finish, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. These are just changing the name, 1, 2, 3 picture name, and then the information just change it. Okay, after the body close and HTML close is finished. Then after that, you have to put the center close, because the table is in the center. Finish? Because the time is almost finishing. Okay, so I will upload it, and then I hope that you already take it. Okay, so I have already given, because if I put this one in the Moodle, it will be a lot of problem. It is like I'm giving the project to the students. Okay, so please try your best. Okay, then let's stop it, inshallah. Okay, so for those who have a computer, please start doing now. Okay, and then you can discuss with your friends, and then just change. As I say that, you can just easily change. There are many types and the information. Okay, inshallah. Okay, let's start here now. Okay, then see you next week, inshallah. Okay, all the best. I will end it now.